There's something special about the moments before a flight. The hum of the road heading toward Auckland Airport, the clouds above, and that feeling that something's about to begin. Before every great journey, if you're lucky enough, you get a moment for pause. A moment to perhaps look up and observe others. The Auckland Airport Observation Area is one of those hidden gems where the sound of jet engines fills the air, and anticipation builds with every landing. Each touchdown and takeoff tells a story. Travelers leaving or returning home, adventures ending and beginning all at once. Time to head in. The rhythm shifts from open sky to terminal motion. Trolleys clattering, rolling bags, screens flashing with check-in details and destinations. There's something mesmerizing about watching through airport windows. Trucks weave between aircraft. Ground crews move with precision, and every takeoff feels like choreography on a massive stage. You realize how much is happening beyond your seat. An entire city in motion, synchronized to the rhythm of flight schedules and time zones. Every few minutes, another plane pulls into a gate. The jet bridge slides into place, and you can watch the whole turnaround process from start to finish. Out in the background, you'll spot other aircraft pushing back, taxiing past, and then disappearing off toward the runway and eventually taking off. It gives you a good sense of how busy Auckland Airport actually is. The journey then continues as we walk to the gate to depart, each step one closer to our destination. Settling into the seat, the view changes again, now filtered through a small oval window. The engines spool up, the world outside slides by slowly, and expectation returns. Taxiways stretch like paths waiting to be taken. Ground control's unheard voices weave this giant ballet of metal birds. Closer to the runway, we feel short pauses while air traffic control slots us in between arriving and departing traffic. It's a reminder that there's a constant flow of aircraft using the same strip of pavement. steady taxi suddenly turns into a very quick takeoff rate. And then, that lift. A heartbeat suspended. The city shrinks beneath the clouds and everything quiets except for the sound